Hello, once again, my name is Ruud. You may have seen some other videos of mine or ours about the RoadLoft in our 2016 Town and Country. We're in beautiful Grise Bay on Vancouver Island. We're very close to our little campsite that is actually over there. It's Long Beach golf course, but it's also a campsite. So we've had this rig for like 3 years now. We've also had the RoadLoft for 3 years now. So I think it's a good time to go review on like whatever we like and maybe a couple things that we may have liked more if things were different. So you can come over here. What is still very good is the fact, starting with this mattress has been extremely supportive, firm. 3 years later, I don't know if they made a change to it. I'm not sure. I will check. But this one, the first rendition that we bought in 2021, has still been like really good. In terms of the fridge, still the same joy totes. It has been good. What might be better maybe is a fridge that turns this way or that way, so that means you don't need to hold this up all the time. Right now it's turned off. Oh yeah, little wear and tear as this is lightweight material, but you know, like as things are moving and you know we're sleeping on top of this wood panel as well, so yeah, slight wear, but you know, nothing big. What we did change since the last video that was all about like the bench setup and everything, was the fact that you can come over here. Instead of these cardboard Amazon boxes, we got these containers that also Laurence at RoadLoft recommended. So these are just totes that you can buy from Amazon. They've been really good, and they make sure that this fridge cannot move, so this is all very firm. Going forward, this has also been very good, very solid. The only thing that I pointed out earlier is this table with the hinges and the screws falling out, so I made a fix, and that video you can see here. But apart from that, also the front mattress has been good, despite things sliding a little bit. So we have this grippy sticky mat here, so in order to keep it somewhat in place, although it still slips and slides a bit. These grippy mats from Walmart have been very helpful as well. Then this little thingy, the Jackery, it charges a little bit. So this is a 300 watt Jackery with a solar panel. Maybe if we would do this again, maybe a somewhat heavier application, maybe a 500 watt Jackery may work a little better, as we have the fridge that we need to keep cold overnight, and this one is always kind of like on the edge of either running out of power or just being flat. So we did bring the moonshade, but we haven't used it as our campsite is beautifully shaded, so that's all good. So in overall, really great product 3 years later, and I don't know how many miles we've driven with it, maybe, because we bought this van with 80,000 on the auto, and now it's almost 120, so like 40,000 miles with this setup in 3 years has been excellent. The van itself, it's a Mopar product, so that means it has a new gearbox. Things just conk out. Everything else has been really solid. So in overall, RoadLoft, durable product. I would say in the long run, this is really something that you can keep for a long time. It's well built. It's still lightweight, but it's built with care. So that will complete it for now. Till the next one.